बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं करेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ प्रपोजिशंस, इंग्लिश प्रपोजिशन से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि किसी भी बीपीएससी और एफपीएससी के वन पेपर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ द प्लेयर्स एग्रीड टू अबाइड डैश द रेफरीज डिसीजन। द प्लेयर्स एग्रीड टू अबाइड विद आएगा, अबाइड बाय आएगा, अबाइड इन आएगा या फिर अबाइड इन टू आएगा। तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है अबाइड बाय आएगा। मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्री अबाउंड्स डैश, abounds dash opportunities for young people with good scientific qualifications. Modern industry abounds in opportunities. Correct option है. A junior cashier has absconded dash 10,000 rupees. तो यहाँ पे absconded with 10,000 rupees आएगा. The children were so absorbed dash their game. into आएगा, for आएगा, in या फिर with. तो इसमें correct option है in their game that they did not notice the passage of time. He was abstained dash salted food by the doctor. He was abstained. for नहीं आता, in नहीं आता, to नहीं आता, इसमें correct option है from. The committee regrets that it cannot exceed dash your request for a month's unpaid leave. The committee regrets that it cannot exceed to your request आएगा. My information does not accord dash the report which has just been presented, that is accord with. I have been accused dash many things in my life. I have been accused of आएगा यहाँ पे बेटा. सही ऑप्शन जो है वो ऑफ है. You will soon get accustomed dash the change of climate. You will soon get accustomed to the change of climate. The new teacher was very slow to adopt dash to the unusual rules of the school. To adopt to the unusual rules of the school जो है वो correct option है to. He became addicted dash. He became addicted to जो है वो correct option है to drugs at quite an early age. This point will adhere dash any surface, whether rough or smooth. This point will adhere to any surface. It is awful to be afflicted with a sense of. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो है वो विद करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास 14 MCQ, दैट इज़ द डिबेट एडजॉन्ट डैश द फॉलोइंग वीक. द डिबेट एडजॉन्ट टू द फॉलोइंग वीक. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू है काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा. आपको इस चैनल पर PPSC और FPSC इंग्लिश लेक्चर की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट भी मिल जाएगी. सो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. दिस कॉलेज इज़ एफिलिएटेड डैश द Punjab University. This college is affiliated to the Punjab University. Next is whether I pay or my wife pays amounts dash the same thing. यहाँ पे जो correct option है that is to. Whether I pay or my wife pays amounts to the same thing. The condemned man appealed dash the court of mercy. The condemned man appealed to the court of mercy. Several committee members had not been apprised dash the contents of the documents. Apprised of the contents. I certainly do not approve dash your riding. You riding. यहाँ पे ऑफ जो है वो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. I certainly do not approve of you riding your motorbike over the speed limit. The success of the project can be ascribed to the dogged efforts of ordinary members of the team. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास माई फादर विल नेवर असेंट डैश माई स्पेंडिंग अ हॉलीडे अब्रॉड बिफोर आई एम 16. माई फादर विल नेवर असेंट टू माई स्पेंडिंग जो है वो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. द डिफेंस ऑफ द ऑयल इंस्टॉलेशन हैड बीन असाइंड डैश माई रेजिमेंट. हैड बीन असाइंड टू माई रेजिमेंट. In less than 60 years of refugees from India had become fully assimilated dash the local community that is into. His mind is well attuned dash mine is well attuned to mine. This record enables me to balance dash the facts of my life and decide what to do with it. Me to balance of the facts of my life. Realizing he could do nothing to save his aircraft, the pilot bailed out जो है वो क्लियर कट ऑप्शन है. नेक्स्ट इज वी डिड नॉट एग्जैक्टली बार्गेन डैश हिम. वी डिड नॉट एग्जैक्टली बार्गेन फॉर हिम. टर्निंग अप लाइक दैट आउट ऑफ द ब्लू. They had few essential supplies to begin dash so they had to improvise. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन है with. They had few essential supplies to begin with so they had to improvise. Next is play was called dash due to bad light. Play was called by due to bad light. The last is in their anxiety Prisoners would often blurt dash pieces of vital information. Prisoners would often blurt out pieces of vital information. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.